Welcome to the Mechatronics Mind, where hardware meets software, powered by curiosity. Let's build something extraordinary.
So hello guys, today I built something fun, a fully playable Tic Tac Toe game in Python, but this time using the turtle module. Instead of printing X and 0 in a console, I wanted to draw the whole game board, handle clicks and animate the moves on screen. This is not just a Tic Tac Toe game. It's a full beginner-friendly GUI project that mixes graphics, logic, and user interaction in Python. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I'll need to set up the screen with 600 into 600 pixel with the title Tic Tac Toe, and I'm gonna give its background as light yellow with a pen size of 5, and then its color black. Okay, so I am adding hide turtle that hides the turtle cursor, and then I'm giving tracer false. So tracer false means it disable animations. So now let's draw the board. The game board is drawing using the turtle module, and I'm creating is 3x3 grid. So you can see it's already done. And now I'm gonna pull up a browser so it will be easy to understand. Why? Because I will need to create a cell center where every cell 1 to 9 has the center coordinate where we will draw a dot. So according to the drawing, I will need to create the window in turtle module with the center. For example, one has a center of -200 and 200 in XY direction. Okay, so now write 1 to 9 on the board to show the cell numbers. And I'll need to write on the center of the board. And you can see the result. Now let's track the mouse clicks. So this window is mapped from -300 to 300. Okay, so I'll need to convert it from 0 to 600. Now adding onscreenclick. This is a turtle function that detects mouse clicks anywhere on the screen and return XY coordinate. Now let's add valid moves so to limit the number of turns. So now let's add mouse clicks to make it more interactable. Let's map every move of every player. So it will make it easy to decide the winner. Now I will need to create a winner function and where I will need to store all 8 patterns. for a winner. You can see all suggesting patterns from black box AI is well, so I'm gonna use that. Now let's build the logic to decide the winner. If the current player's occupied cells match any combo, they will win. Now let's add more variables. So to processing a move, like only allow empty cells or mark the cells as used and move turtle to the center of the cell. Okay, so now let's add messagebox that comes from tkinter library. It is used to create a small pop-up windows that show messages to the user, like show info or show error and similar types of messages. Hats up, bro. I can't edit more. See the full video, and I'm gonna upload the code in my GitHub account. Check it, you will get the full code. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye.